Hi guys, so what's the right answer here? 12 divided by 2 times 6. There aren't a lot of choices here. We have a division and we have a multiplication. Do we do the division first, 12 divided by 2, and we'll get a final answer of 36? Or do we do the multiplication first, 2 times 6, and we'll get a final answer of 1? So it turns out 12 divided by 2 is the correct order. So let's go over these rules for mathematical operations. So these two symbols, division and multiplication, are mathematical operations. And we have a little trick that helps us to remember the order in which to do them, and we call it PEMDAS. And in order to remember it, there's a little rhyme that goes along with it. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, which you may have heard of before. Once again, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And what they stand for is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So this is the order in which we normally do things, left to right, starting with parentheses, meaning grouping symbols, like the parentheses or brackets. So if we see those, we do them first. And then next up would be exponents, meaning something like 2 to the third, where here 2 is known as the base, and 3 would be considered the exponent. And then finally, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Before continuing, I should introduce myself. My name is John, and I'm running this channel, The Tentative Tutor. And I've been teaching and tutoring mathematics for decades. I have 3 degrees in it. My mission is to try to clarify some of these mathematical concepts to as many people as possible. So if you'd like to help me out, please subscribe and hit the notification bell, because that will help me to reach a broader audience. So as we said, this will govern the order in which we do the operations, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. However, there's a little misconception when it comes to this acronym. Multiplication doesn't always go before division. Instead of M followed by D, it's really M or D, meaning we just go left to right and we do whatever occurs first. So if we see multiplication followed by division, then we would do multiplication first. On the other hand, if we see division followed by multiplication, we would do the division first. So in particular, for this problem, we must do the division first. That is, we first take 12 divided by 2, and we'll get 6. And then finally take 6 times 6, and we'll get 36. Here's our bonus problem. Remembering PEMDAS, we'll do the operation in parentheses first. So 8 minus 4, and rewrite. Next, we must do exponents before multiplication and addition. So we take care of 4 squared, which is 4 times 4. Finally, multiplication before addition. So 3 times 16, which is 48. Then finally, 6 plus 48 is 54. And that's it. Thanks for watching.